Using grips to rotate objects. On the standard toolbar, choose Zoom Window. In the drawing, click to specify 2 points to zoom in to the top half of the object. Click a point, move the cursor from left to right, and then click again to define a window selection around the left screw head. Select the center grip of the screw head. Right-click to display the shortcut menu and then choose Rotate. At the command prompt, type 45 and press Enter to rotate the object 45 degrees around the selected grip. Press Escape to remove all grips. Repeat steps 3 through 7 to rotate the other screw. Using Rotate to rotate objects. On the Modify toolbar, choose Rotate. In the drawing, click a point, move the cursor from right to left, and then click again to define a crossing selection. Define an area that includes the circles in the upper left area and the associated lines that connect the circles to the part. Press Enter to indicate that you do not want to select any more objects. Select the lower endpoint of the selected left line. At the command prompt, enter -10 to rotate the objects 10 degrees clockwise. If you enter 10, you will rotate the objects 10 degrees counterclockwise. Select the line that is too long. Select the lower grip on the line. Select the corner nearest the endpoint of the line. Press Escape to remove all grips. Using the Array command to copy and rotate objects. From the View menu, choose Zoom, then choose Extents. On the Modify toolbar, choose Array. In the Array dialog box, choose Polar Array. Choose Select Objects. In the drawing, click a point, move the cursor from right to left, and then click again to define a crossing selection. Define an area that includes the gear teeth to the right of the lower circles. Press Enter to indicate that you do not want to array any other objects. Choose the arrow button to the right of the center point. Hold down Shift and right-click, and then select Center. Click the edge of the arc nearest the selected object. This specifies its center point as the center of the array. In Total Number of Items, enter 18. In Angle to Fill, be sure that 360 is entered. Select Rotate Items as Copied so that the objects have the same orientation relative to the center point. Choose Preview to see how the array will appear in the drawing. Choose Accept to add the array to the drawing. Chamfering lines. From the Modify menu, choose Chamfer. At the command prompt, type D and press Enter to specify the chamfer distances. Enter 1 to specify that you want the first line you select to be cut back 1 unit from its projected intersection with the next line you select. Enter 1 to specify that you want the second line you select to be cut back 1 unit from its projected intersection with the first line. Select the top line of the side view. Select the line that the top line intersects on the left. The first line is cut back 1 unit, the second line is cut back 1 unit, and the 2 endpoints are joined to create a beveled edge. Press Enter to repeat the chamfer command and chamfer the opposite side of the part. Filleting lines. From the Modify menu, choose Fillet. Enter R to change the radius of the fillet. Enter 0.6 for the new fillet radius. Select the left vertical line below the chamfer. Select the matching horizontal line to fillet. Repeat this procedure to fillet the lines on the other side of the part. Filleting polylines. From the Modify menu, choose Fillet. Enter R to specify the radius of the fillet. Enter 2 for the new fillet radius. Enter P to fillet all the vertices of a polyline. Select the large rectangular polyline in the top view. Making sharp intersections with fillet. From the side view, select the right horizontal line. Press Delete to erase the object. From the Modify menu, choose Fillet. Enter R to specify a new fillet radius. Enter 0 to specify an arc of radius 0, a sharp corner, between the objects that you want to select. Select the left horizontal line. Select the right vertical line at the right side of the part. The horizontal line extends to meet the vertical line and creates a sharp corner.